मुरगांव कोऑपरेटिव्ह इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी कडल्यान चडसो ऑक्ट्रॉय येना म्हूण चिखले पंचायतीन ही गजाल दाबोळेचो आमदार पंचायत मंत्री माविना कडेन व्हेली। माविनान पंचायत आनी इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांची मिटींग घेतली। इंडस्ट्रीच्या बोर्डान तांच्या सगळ्या मेंबरांक पंचायतीक टॅक्स भरूंक सांगचो म्हूण माविन उलयलो।
Actually has not been designated as the industrial estate, but commercial activity is going on. Not a single unit except bearing one we are paying any dues to the panchayat in terms of taxes or in terms of other revenue accruing to the panchayat. So in principle today at a joint meeting with the panchayat, Murgaon Industrial Estate and me chairing the meeting, we have decided that they will go back to all their members, to their board of directors, convey to all the members that they have to pay some dues to the panchayat. Panchayat will immediately go and do a fresh assessment as to what economic activity is taking place. They will, after assessment, fix a tax that has to accrue to the panchayat.
मुरगांवची ही इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट चिखले कम्युनिदाद जमनीचेर उबी जाल्या। केस कोर्टात आसा।
Chikali Komdat has a grievance that not a pie has been paid to the Komdat. All this land in the name of industrial estate has been occupied for so long illegally.
96,800 square meter of the land are the industry ubalya boy nahi. It's totally illegal. It's a big scam of 192 crores. And matter is in court, so I can't talk.
Somebody makes a allegation that it's illegal. I can't say it's illegal. It has to be proved. All those factors are there. So we will not get involved in that.
इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांची पंचायत आणि पंचायत मंत्र्यांबरोबर 15 उपरांत ह्या विशयाचेर रिव्ह्यू मीटिंग जातली।
The Honorable Minister made a statement that there are a lot of issues pertaining to this industrial estate vis-a-vis the Panchayat and the Komundal. And he called for a meeting, so we came for the meeting to listen to him whatever. So he conveyed what exactly is their expectation. So based on that, we'll put it up to the board, and then we'll, as I said, in the next 15 days we'll have another meeting with the Honorable Minister and see what is to be done.
इंडस्ट्रीच्या वाठारांतल्या रस्त्याचे काम इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांनी करपाचे काय पंचायतीन होय प्रश्न बसकेत आयलो।
No, as far as the road is concerned and the dilapidated road, it is the responsibility of the government. We cannot ask private people to do roads, so we will be doing the roads.
महिन्या पयलीं प्रुडंटान चिखले इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचेर रिपोर्ट केल्लो। हालचाल आतां निकती सुरू जाल्या। पंचायतीच्या टॅक्साचे प्रस्तावाक इंडस्ट्रीचे रिस्पॉन्साचेर थंयचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचो फुडार। प्रुडंटा खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकार।